demonstrate how to generate a system report for comparing or analyzing your WebSphere settings on your HCL bundled product. I will use this article as a guide to complete this task. As per section 1, I will be using the WebSphere Application Server Configuration Comparison tool to complete this function. I first will go to this particular GitHub address and download the latest release of this. As I'm downloading this tarball gzip file to my downloads directory, per the instructions, I will unpack this to a temporary directory on my particular server. This is my temporary file for the WCCT tool. I will now unpack this zip file here, and I will unpack the resultant tarball. Now, per the instructions, I will now navigate to my HCL portal server's bin directory and execute the wsadmin command. So I can go ahead and copy this command, and I can pop that into a notepad and make that customized to my particular server. I am using a Windows machine, so I will make that wsadmin.bat, and this is my particular location for my exploded tarball file that was previously done in the most recent step. When I execute this command, it will be executing a wsadmin command against the server. This is not invasive to the server, so this can be run during runtime. This is using wsadmin to kind of script around the outside, and as we can see, that has begun to run. This is going through the server's configurations and pulling out particular properties from various XML files and properties files that are attributed to the server that generates and creates the particular functions that your server has. So these particular modifications to the server are anything from security to your particular REP settings to things that are based off of connection pools. Very valuable information to be aware of when comparing a server to another server or just analyzing it for yourself. The process has completed, and now that configuration file or .cfg file has been written to my profile bin directory. So if I navigate to that profile bin directory, I will see that if I've selected to be have my files aggregated by date modified, it will be up at the top, and this is the configuration file that you would then use for generating your reports, as you will see in a subsequent video of mine, or to be sent in to support. Thank you very much.